to Burbank. Please remain seated, seatbelts fastened, luggage stowed until the captains board the aircraft to a complete stop and turn off the seatbelt sign. Use caution when you open overhead bins. Items tend to shift around. It's been our pleasure serving y'all today. Lots of cute kids going on vacation. We hope you'll have a really fun time. If you are making a connection, please deplane. Check the TV monitors in the gate area for your flight and gate number. This is your final destination. Be careful driving. We hope to see you again real soon. Enjoy the rest of your week, vacations and all. Welcome to Burbank.